Hello friends, today I will be covering my trade on CANFINHOME Finance where it gave me a very nice breakout. So before we start the analysis, I would first like to do the mandatory disclaimer. This is not an investment advisory video. I am just sharing my trades for learning purpose. So please do not take any trades without advice from a qualified investment advisor or based on your analysis. I am not a qualified investment advisor. I'm only sharing for learning purpose. So I don't take any credits for any profits you make based on seeing this video and trading on the basis of that. And I also don't take any responsibility for any losses you make because of seeing this video and taking trades because of this. This is purely for learning purpose. Now that we have the disclaimer in place, let us look at the analysis behind why I took this trade and what it is likely to give me. So to begin with, let us look at the daily chart, which is where I took the trade. The first thing that we want to do is look at a trend line. So there is this trend line. Let us plot a good trend line here, which gave me this confidence. So you can potentially have two trend lines. One is where you have these tops that are there, and again end up cutting the candles in between. I don't like cutting candles on a trend line, so I will take this other one. Now if you look at it, it has confirmations. One second confirmation, here it went up, came down. So three confirmations of this trend line, which means that this trend line is a validated trend line and it is more likely to work. So I plotted this trend line and I was looking for a breakout initially. So this breakout happened here. This breakout happened on 7th of Jan, but this breakout was not very convincing. It went up, came down, had a long upper wick, and it created a red candle. So I did not take a breakout trade here. I waited for a retracement. So it went up, came down. Here it tested this support for the broken trend line that now resistance became a support. It went up very strongly and created a very nice bullish engulfing pattern on candlesticks. So ideally, I would have placed a buy order above this candle, at the top of this candle, but there was a very strong supply zone that was created with these two candles, with these long wicks. And I was not really sure whether this will actually work out or whether it will turn down from here. And if you see, it actually happened. If I had taken a trade here, I had purchased here, the next day it respected the supply zone and it came down big time. Gave a very, very big inverted hammer. So I was happy that I did not take a trade there. After that, I decided to let the price run and see what happens. So this was the earlier top. Let me show you. This was the earlier top. So I could have taken a trade above this top after waiting. However, this was also a major resistance line. And I was a little apprehensive of that because there was this here. Between these two, you will see there was a gap. So I said, let me be confident if this gap gets filled up and the price goes above that, I would like to buy. So I placed a buy order here somewhere. My entry was around 646 and I was waiting. So I plotted this trade yesterday and I was waiting to get it. So when I plotted this trade, my earlier stop loss was obviously below the previous low. So it was here. And my target was this resistance. There it is, 719. So my idea was I will take it here. I will keep the stop loss here. And my target would be somewhere here, around 719.20 odd. So when I looked at it, there was a 2:1 trade available for me, 2:1 reward to risk, which is really good. 2:1 reward to risk is the minimum we can expect. And since there is a breakdown here, there is a likelihood that it may go up beyond this one also. But what would happen is the price may go up here, price may go from here to here. It will respect this. It has already respected this resistance price. So it may come down also. then it may come down to somewhere here because there is a strong demand zone here, and from here it may go up again. So what I would like to do is get profit booked here and wait and see what happens. And if it gives a breakout, of course, we can always trade on the breakout later on a retracement or on a good demand zone above this. However, for now, this is the trade I had planned. So today it gave me a breakout. And after giving the breakout, I got into the trade at 646, and it gave me a good run within the day. From 646, it went to 667. So within a day, it has given me around 21 rupees in profits on an investment of 646 per share, which is not bad actually. And I intend to hold it up to this level, 718, 720 levels. So here, if I were to look at it this way, 718.20, we are talking about 646 to 718, which is a good 10% plus, more than 10% kind of risk reward, because it is about 72 rupees of profit on 646 rupees of investment, which is a fairly good return. And I expect to achieve this in the next 4 to 5 days, maybe within this week also. It could happen by Friday if the momentum continues to be strong. That is the trade I was talking about. And what has happened now is, since the market is closed, I have moved the stop loss from here to here below this. So if it goes up, if it doesn't go up, it comes down, my stop loss will be booked here. If it goes up, it will go all the way here. I have accepted this as the stop loss now. And as it goes above 1:1, I will move my stop loss here at the entry, so that whatever happens, I will not lose any money on this trade. So friends, if you like this analysis and if you feel you have learned something good from this video and you would like to share this video with your friends, please feel free to do that. If you want to see more such videos of my trades going forward, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Let's see what this trade does, and let's keep watching it. Thank you very much.